Liquimoli's brake anti-squeal paste has been specifically developed for installation, repair and maintenance work on brake systems. It's extremely resistant to road salt, temperature and water and prevents the squealing of brakes which is produced between brake pistons or contact surfaces and brake linings. Brake anti-squeal paste is very simple to use. First, clean all the sliding surfaces, shafts and contact surfaces on brake calipers with a steel brush. Then, thoroughly clean the brake parts with Liquimoli Rapid Cleaner to leave them free of grease. And after it has evaporated, brush all parts on all sliding surfaces, shafts and contact surfaces with Liquimoli Brake Anti-Squeal Paste. In the process, make sure that the brake anti-squeal paste is not applied to the friction surface of the lining or the brake disc. Liquimoli provides the ideal combination for easy use and good anti-corrosion protection. Rapid Cleaner with Brake Anti-Squeal Paste. Liquimoli, for technical and visual value retention for your car, from one single source.